So, hello, once again, I'm back on my old trustworthy Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD edition. As always, I'm recording locally and streaming today on Kick service. So let's check out the stream if it's working properly. Let's go on the website. Let's listen to the sound if it's yes, it works perfectly fine. So yeah, let's stop it now. And let me show you the system information using the terminal. Here we are. You can pause the stream, or when it will be the video available on my YouTube channel, you can pause the video. Just pay attention on the screen resolution, which is full 4K at 120 Hz, 3840 by 2160. However, today I'm recording and streaming downscaled in full HD 30 FPS. And with these things out of the way, as you can see, I'm on Nyarch Linux still. So let's go and check out what is Nyarch Linux or Nyarch Linux. Here we are on the official website. It's the perfect Linux distribution for degenerated weebs, ARC-based, so you also need a neckbeard. You can grab it in GNOME or KDE Plasma. And they have some apps pre-installed. If you are otaku, weeb, or whatever, if you like anything Japanese culture related, I guess. But it's not only for them, for that. But yeah, these apps are, some of them are Komiku, Nicoplay, Fragments, Lollipop, Shortwave, Meowfets. I love it. Catgirl Downloader and Nyarch Assistant. I've tried to show you this the other day. It is what it is, but these are just a part of them. They have even more apps pre-installed, like for example this Gear Lever and plenty others. For example, Bazaar, their own app store, let's call it. Or how about these Nyarch scripts, or you know, these things like Nyarch Customize, Tour, etc. So yeah, plenty of good stuff. I think if you are a new Linux user, or if you are experienced one, it doesn't matter. Everyone has something to enjoy using this Linux distribution. And in the past few days, I've been trying to show you plenty of stuff like customizing it. Through my scripts, through my theming, rising, however you want to call it, the performance of the system and everything that I have been showing you for many days now. The thing is this, at one point I said, I think it was the first or the second video, or maybe both, I said to you that I'm not sure about the rising, the theming sides of things. Maybe I did something wrong, maybe it's easier or difficult or whatever, but it turns out that now that I know how to do, I was like very quickly did it inside the virtual machine using GNOME boxes basically. Let me bring it up here now, and let's enjoy together the boot process of Nyarch Linux, which is kinda cool if you are into like the Japanese culture or something. And of course it works perfectly fine inside the virtual machine, and as I said, it didn't boot up, most probably because I had it I updated the system, and I think it's now, this is a GNOME boxes app issue. I will solve it by just quitting the app, killing it, and then loading it up again. Let's end it. Let's try to see if this will work, and if it will not work just like it is, like this, I'm going to kill it then. So let's go again, boxes, let's try again. Yep, it works now. And after this screen, it's the normal Nyarch Linux boot up method. It goes very quick. The performance inside the virtual machine is just fine. So here we are. This is a login screen, and for sure I did all the basic stuff, like for example having my fast fetch, as you can see, my terminal prompt, like having my Nyarch man updater. I'll just type the password and then boom, it's fully updated. I did it like before I started the stream. Also the wallpaper status, for example, wallpaper status, show you, boom, it works. And then if I will do select like this, boom, let's just go like this, boom. So as you can see, no problems at all, and the same is true for my cursor factory, but I'll just not do it, doesn't matter. The rest of the customizations, as you can see, the colors, the fonts, everything is working as expected through my own, you know, how I prefer it to be. So here is a flat seal, for example. As you can see, it adheres to my fonts, colors, theme, everything. Let's go with parabolic as well, another silly app that always is a problem for me, more or less. Boom, no problem here. And then let's go with a few more normal apps, so to speak, like I don't know, weather, why not? Let's go with files. So yeah, as you can see, everything works properly. And then have disabled the extensions and all that to make sure that my theming will go flawless, and indeed it is. So the only one that I've left enabled here, as you can see, is the user themes, and the rest of them, as you will see in the guide, or as I can't speak again today. What's the matter with me? What's wrong with me? Tired. Sleepless, tired, dying way too fast. Anyway, as I have been showing you in the past couple days or so, and I have explained in the past, you will have inside the guide everything related to the extensions, and you can also go back and watch my last couple videos on my YouTube channel, and everything will become clear. And yeah, I think you understand what I'm trying to say here. As you can see, I've installed my apps as well. So if I try to load, I don't know, let's go with the usual suspect, GIMP maybe. Let's try GIMP. So these two, it will adhere to my theme just fine. So all I'm trying to say is that 100% of the stuff that you will see on the guide, it will be on point. So let's just close the virtual machine now. This is how the machine shuts down. I couldn't have shown you these things without the virtual machine, how it boots and how it shuts down. So now you know that as well. And I think maybe I will do just one more video tomorrow to recap the whole thing, what we have accomplished so far. And of course I will show you the guide, which most probably tomorrow it will be enabled on my YouTube link where I have the guides, all the guides that I have done so far. And on that link you will be able to see the Nyarch Linux GNOME edition. And I don't know, maybe I will do after tomorrow, I will just do Nyarch Linux KDE, or maybe I'll go ahead and try something else first, and then I will try to do the KDE version. I will see. For sure though, I want to try the KDE Plasma version as well. But maybe I want to surprise myself by doing something else. Anyway, as always, thank you for everything and see you on the next one. Bye.